Good morning all, this is Marvin from stockmarketplan.com coming to you today with the silver and gold report. Particularly interested today. Today is August 11th, and I was looking at gold and silver, and I'm using the GLD for gold, which is what you have in front of you right now. I am wondering why silver, when we look at the SLV and we'll look at that in a second, is showing such poor relative strength relative to gold, the GLD. Okay, so gold has had power move here the last a month and a half, 2 months, and silver really has not relative to the movement that gold has. And I want to just point that out on the charts. Okay, we look at technicals here, price first, and let's just go ahead and look at GLD. And you know, if you've been following the cast here along with us, you've seen some nice gains because we've been touting bull on gold for quite some time. Actually, since this blog started back in February, really nothing has changed for gold. Silver, on the other hand, it did break key support levels back in May, and we'll look at that later. At that juncture, I thought silver was under a lot of pressure, and it actually has basically just moved sideways relative to the monster move that it had back in March, April. Now we're looking at basically gold here. Again, it was a nice base here. If we go back, okay, back to the beginning of the year, really, and I pointed out, you know, the support levels. Okay, this is a 20-day average of 50 and the 200, and I called this the last line on the sand, right? You've heard me say that before. And then looking at support levels, where this price was going to be supported, and sure enough, we've just bounced. We've kept bouncing, and then now, you know, with everything that's been going on in the equities markets, you know, equities markets are really hurting, and we've been all in cash there since June, so saved a lot of money there. If you've been watching the show, we've had that correlation between commodities, okay, gold, silver, and the most popular ones right now, and equities, okay, stocks, where stocks go up, commodities go down, but more so when stocks go down, commodities go way up. Capital is moving into commodities, especially the last week, and that's understandably so. Now, my concern is look at this power move here. This is August 8th. That was Monday, and it's just, I mean, we've seen just massive gains, and even before that, before the main drop in equities, we've been seeing I mean, just an amazing power move. I mean, this is what they call it when a price goes parabolic. This is what it looks like. Okay, so right now, let me go ahead and show you the SLV silver, and then we can compare and contrast. And again, I'm putting the question out there to you guys. You know, why do you think silver is underperforming gold? And boy, is it ever. Let me show you what I mean. Here now we're looking at the SLV for silver, and as you can see, after the drop, right, in late April, May, here's May 5th is when we saw that big drop in silver, and I called that out on the once it happened, and told you that it was probably going to move sideways and then catch a new leg up, which it did. It certainly did. However, this move from here, from this low to where we're at right now, it's 12%. The move on gold, going back to that real quick, does it look a little different? Yeah, it's about 22% from that May low right here. So double the movement in gold, and silver is lacking. So, you know, I'm going to be watching that relationship. You know, if it is commodities, we're encompassing silver and gold, and yeah, they're both going up. I guess gold is more popular than silver. I don't know. This is for you guys out there that like metals, and maybe you can shed some light on that, why it is, because it's so obvious. And especially the last week or so, I thought silver would participate a lot more than it has, and you know, it's really lackluster, the movement relative to its peer in gold. Just wanted to bring that up and show you a picture of it so you can see what I mean. Looking again at price through the SLV, and here in front of you now you have the GLD for gold, the gold trust, and you know, it's a massive 22% from the May low. Okay, May 5th low, and looking at the SLV, you know, it's like just just basing out really. Still bullish right now. I wouldn't get worried probably until it got, below this level here on July 1st, which is on the SLV, which is 32.61, or maybe even this low right here actually on May 12th. 31.97. So any close below that, you can certainly use the 200-day moving average as support. First line of support is 50-day right here, the red line. Okay, so I mean it's got support. It's being supported. It's trading sideways like I said it would, and it'll go up from there hopefully, or it can come back and crash down. Right now, my feeling on silver is just that it is basing out. This is productive. Okay. It looks good. I just would have liked to seen it participate more, as money came out of equities in the fashion that it did. Money did not rush into silver like it did gold. So that is yet to see. We have yet to see why that is, and we'll wait and see how the price trades out of this thing. Okay, so again, right there you have silver, okay, kind of a sideways to up move, about 12% from the May lows. And here you have gold, okay, GLD, the gold trust, okay, 22% from the May low right down here. Okay, guys, this is Marvin from StockMarketPlan.com. Make sure you visit the website, okay, subscribe to the feed there. You'll get the feeds as I post these videos. And again, if anybody's got answers for this, why silver's trailing gold, especially on the heels of the funds transferred here the last week from equities to commodities and treasuries alike. Love to hear it. Make sure you put them on there. Comment. Okay, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and thanks for commenting. Okay, have a great one and good luck. Bye-bye.